Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Tech Express. So selling into Instagram isn't just about tagging photos anymore, because in the 2026 it's about creating a frictionless path from discovering to checkout. So with a new AI powered For You shop feed, Instagram is now actively pushing your products to the people most likely to buy them. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get started selling directly into Instagram and how we can actually use that elements to make this process much more faster. So the first thing I wanted to do is to sign in, of course, as always, directly into Instagram. So let's get with the foundation of the business. So your account must be a business or a creator account. If you focus directly here into your profile settings, what I needed to do, of course, is to make sure, like this, is to make sure, of course, that you have the account and you have been set this up directly and switch it to a professional account. So if I go for the option that says professional, you can go for creator or go for business. In our case, let's go for the option that says business. Let's go for next. You can show the category into the profile if you wanted to, for example. And let's say that here I want to look out for shopping and retail and go for done and hit over for continue. Right now, a quick check, because you must need to sell physical goods to be in a supported market and own the website domain you are linking to, right? So you can choose your contact information profile if you wanted to. In this case, let's go for don't use my contact info and head over for the option that says done. Now, you wanted to head to the Meta Commerce Manager onto your PC. This is the shop controls center, because if you open a new tab, and let's go for the option that says set up a shop. Okay, reload, and if it doesn't help, you can go directly here into Meta Commerce Manager, and what I need to do is to sign in directly here into the Commerce Manager. So if you use Shopify or WooCommerce, you want to select to enter with the actual right platform in order to continue. So once I am directly inside here, what I need to do, of course, is to choose select the partner platform that you want to be focused on. So you can choose to add products, and directly inside here it says connect to a platform, pattern platform. So you can choose Shopify, you can go for WooCommerce, you can go for BigCommerce, and if you don't have a partner platform, you have to worry about that. You can always go for connecting platform disabled, and add a business ID is required in order to connect an actual account. So if you don't have one, you can create a new one and choose the business add account name. Let's say, for example, Retro Sponge, my name, and now we can give people access and the name. Let's say, for example, my products, and head over for next. So this is going to be part of my new catalog, how we can actually connect the actual tracking out of it, or just load, for example, out of your own elements directly inside Instagram. But basically what you need to do is to make sure that here directly into the shops manager you have added your own Instagram account. So for this, what I needed to do is to check out that here directly into my business settings I have now enabled the elements and added directly inside here. For example, let's go for Instagram accounts. I needed to add my own Instagram account, so we go for the option that says add, agree to the terms service, add Instagram account. And here it might be asking you to enter logged in. Let's go for sign in. Just like that, my actual Instagram account would now be connected directly into this specific portfolio. So if I go directly here into the business portfolio, you might be seeing that says connected assets, and it might be appearing now directly here into that element. So basically what I need to do now is to head over directly for the actual commerce out of it. So inside the Commerce Manager, what I can do is now by adding my own catalogs, as it will be appearing directly here into the e-commerce, adding the location from, the configuration of my settings, and all of my products will be appearing here directly into my catalogs. It says products, title, the sets, the even data associated to the option that says so. So it says start selling with shops. Go to start now. And if you don't use any of the platforms, that's totally okay. Let's go for okay. And where I wanted to sell my products, in my case, I only wanted to sell into Instagram. So I go for next. All of my products that comes directly from this specific catalogs, this is the elements that I would like to add directly here into my Instagram. So this is a country, my sale channel, all my products, my checkout method, and by submitting your shop for review, you create the library segment element. Finish the setup, and yes, your account, you need it of course to go for the approval. So your catalog will be synced, you hit it to submit, and usually it might be taking up to 1 to 3 business days to verify your domain and into the products. So you needed to verify your email address, you needed to add the details about your shipping profile, you needed to add information about how to get more active, and view all the settings to miss important information. So all of this will need to be appearing to be done in order to check out the element and in order to start selling directly inside in this case into Instagram. You can do it directly here from Facebook as well. Just to connect that element directly here directly into your assets, and you're actually good to go. But basically it's how you can create a shoppable content. So the fun part is where you post a reel, the carousels, you can tag the product, select the item from your catalog and place it the tag directly into the video. But we cannot do this unless our account, our marketplace, our shop has not been correctly been verified by a Meta. So this is how we can actually start. This is the very first step to getting started directly here inside your own elements of selling here directly into Meta. So hopefully it was a very useful information for you guys. The fun part will be available into our next video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to see more great tools and how we can get started. Let's say adding your own products, connecting, creating reels, specific elements, how to correctly promote your products, and so much more directly into Meta. So thank you once again for watching. See you guys next time.